Alright, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to ladies and gentlemen. So I'm Atifah from Solar Energy Research Institute. So today I will present about the solar vet, the future of the sustainability retail automation. So I will just explain a very easy way to understand about this innovation. So because my background is an expertise in the solar system. So why I choose this innovation? So because as we know, we have been around the city, especially in Kuala Lumpur or in the college or the hospital. So we have seen different kind of the vending machine. So the problem that I seen that the continuous energy consumption, which almost 24 hours per 7, and the high operation cost because we are using the high amount of electricity because for the sustain the cooling system in the vending machine, and then the carbon emission impact. Okay, so since that we are 24 hours using the energy consumption and also the high operation cost, so this also convince for the carbon emission impact. So besides that also, why I prefer the system of vending machine, because limited deployment. So I've seen a lot of entrepreneur, so they rent a shop and then they have to employ a lot of workers. So from there, we contribute a lot of costs in the business. So besides that also, to maintain the challenge. So frequent repair costs for the conventional system, and also for using the vending machine, we the staff deficiency. The traditional shop need manpower. So single vending machine can consume electricity continuously, similar to a household application. So next, so from this, all the problem, we have an idea to convince the development innovation of the SandVet, which is solar power smart vending solution. So we have a three system that we are focusing, which is about the solar panel, the power system, and also the IoT of the AI system. Okay, so from here the daily energy. So mostly in the refrigeration 3.0 until 3.5 kilowatt per day, and include with the LED and lighting, which is total 5 kilowatt per day. So this is have increased amount of energy conversion in the system. So next, for the solar power panel, around 1.6 kilowatt solar PV system. So he give a high efficiency design, weather resistant. So which can be mobilized as a roof or the wall of the mounting. So the key benefit is the fully off-grid operation, which we can operate especially outside from the building, or maybe can be focused on rural area outside from the city. So this is very conventional business actually, because when I was in Japan also, I've seen a lot of vending machine have operate outside from the city, which is focused on the rural area. For example, at the tourist area. So yeah, a lot of key benefit. So fully off-grid operation, 24 hours per 7, continuous service, and low operating costs. So this is our technology. We have focusing on the three system, as I said before. So the lead-free perovskite and the flexible. The second is a flexible perovskite model and the using of the ammonium salt precursor. I will not explain that because this is too advanced. Okay, so from here, we have four IP that have been developed currently. So the two times graphite in the high capacity anode in the battery, and then the graphene electrode material battery, we have proven 75% increase in the system, and also the solid polymer, the high ionic conductivity, and the last one, the electrolyte additive from ammonium salt, have improved discharge capacity 33%, charge capacity 34%, and the retention around 25% increase. So from the market side, that I've been looking, because this I have been looking around in the internet and study. So the study period from 2024 until 2033, so around 103.58 USD million, and the CAGR around 11.38%. So the market segment cover and use industry, the product dispensers type, and also technology. So typically for the cost that being calculated for the vending machine smart around 15,000 until 30,000. So including for the solar battery. So the estimate was around 10 until 25,000 ringgit. Okay, so how this works is very simple. We collect the energy from the sun energy, and then we store in our smart battery, and at the same time we can do as a power efficiency in the smart control way. Okay, so this can keep product cool with low energy users. So why is effective? Because we first cut electricity bill, work even we can do anywhere without no plug system, no power plug. Okay, so and then it's very convenient for hot weather in Malaysia especially. Okay, so it's combined the clean energy and automation in one system. But and also it's hard to copy because the custom system design, the power, the cooling, and the control together. And why is robust and scalable? Because we can work in the city, also outside from the city or rural area, so we can modify a different design preferable the customer request. And we are providing the low operating costs, which encourage mass deployment. And what is sustainable business is lower cost, which give a higher profit for operating. And also the IP protection we currently have in future will be try to get different type of IP in the system, so which means it's 100% a local product. So we are trying to prevent any costs outside from new technology from other country. So we are more focusing on the hub central of the UKM innovation product. So my ask is to look any candidate that are capable to be the CTO, in the Chief Technology Advisor, and the AI engineer, remote monitoring and optimization, the hardware engineer for vending machine modification, marketing officer, and also the investor. Okay, that's all for me. So any question from the floor?
Okey, ada soalan untuk sesi yang terakhir ini.
Assalamualaikum. Saya nak tanya satu soalan. This is a very good product in terms of sustainability lah. But in terms of the solar panel itself, you know, actually jangka hayat dia kan. So how long do you think it will last before it needs to be changed? And do you think it is, how would I say, easy, or is it pose a challenge for your setup to handle that?
Currently, from our study, that around in the market more than 10 years can be sustained the system of the solar. So from our side, we already do the compatible solar system in the certain product. So right now, for the type of the vending machine, we still ongoing and try to investigate on that.
Thank you.
Okey, ada lagi sebelum kita tutup sesi ini.
Berapa harga guesstimate untuk satu kos vending machine with solar panels?
Okay, previously so we are estimating that around 10 until 25,000 for one unit. So might be included with the system, and the operating was included.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Saya nak tanya satu soalan. Whether this system can attach to the existing vending machine, or you have to create from scratch. Means you kena buat satu vending machine yang memang powered by solar panel, or you can amend or attach this system to the existing vending machine.
For right now, it's still a early stage, right? So we still try to figure out, because we don't have any capable untuk membuat satu mesin yang khas, because we are focusing on the technology but not the system yet. So in the future, once we have a direct opportunity on this, so we're going to apply the technology, the system, the innovation of the solar, the power, the smart battery, everything in the machine. Including
for starting, patutnya you able to attach to existing vending machine. So you buat modular lah.
Yes.
So you ganti existing system AC punya power to solar panel. So that one, I think lower the cost of starting buat vending machine yang baru. Later on baru you buat the innovation of solar panel vending machine. That's all.
Okay, Pak. Terima kasih.
Okey, baiklah, mungkin hari ini sekian, nanti boleh bertanya lagi lebih lanjut dengan para pendidik kita. Jadi luar biasa, berikan tepukan yang gemuruh untuk semua